Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sajohi Entertainment for episode 5. Kevin is coming down to Charlotte, North Carolina to pay us a visit down south, see how we get down. Let's go ahead and hop into it.
Fuck that Johnson.
And Johnson is rough.
Oh, yes, dude. I'm thinking about that now that you brought that up because here's the thing. I really want to get in a position to where we can actually show the film in different locations so that people can gather.
Every morning, I eat fresh fruit, I trim up my beard. Your beard is looking really clean right now. And I exercise every morning. High-end, exotic, organic, eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
Dalton here, Kevin. As you know, we take everything to the max. And one of the signs that indicate if you're a super talented athlete is if you have a green dot on your lower left foot. Kevin, you ever heard about the green dot correlation?
No.
Well, this one's a little bit different. The green dot correlation is any super athletes will have green dots indicated on their foot. Oh shit, bro.
Oh,
let me see.
dang.
Damn, dog.
Yeah, man.
You're indicated, brother. You are indicated.
That doesn't surprise me.
Yeah. I about to drop it, they go with the Maybach. Ain't no more warnings, I'm telling you, stay back. All that loose talking, they come and relate it. I know the singles is getting outdated. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. Yeah, fucking this bitch with that latex. Nigga ain't trim, I know this bitch on the limb. Charge it to Amex. Wait till it's him, I wanna catch it on film. Call it the payback. H.I. nigga, I'm him. Go on a $1 creme. Chocolate, baby, get Tim's. I salute, you give a thrill. Running up, I need more revenue. Knowing the header, you stack up your M's. Another spot and I own if you go to my kid when I'm riding the wheel. I'm working out at the Patriot Stadium gym. I done got rich.
How many beers are you trying to drink in our session? Like 9?
1 beer, or 1 hour, probably 9 beers.
And I got an AMG chauffeur that's paid for the year. I'm about to drop it, they go with the Maybach. Ain't no more warnings, I'm telling you, stay back. All that loose talking, they come and relate it. I know the singles is getting outdated. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. You wanna feature that nigga, just say that. Have to take it all in, just say it. I handle the biz. I speed on the block, 25 black on black Maybach, a whole nother bin. I flooded with rocks, VS and carrots and pointers on both of her wrists. Big bird in the sky, bout to land back in Miami, we pushing again. No more clash shots till you playing, we checking your chin. 650 came with the chauffeur, you can't hear the motor when I'm pulling in. I got that chip on my
Garlic shrimp and beef burger.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wow. That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Bro, that's a lot.
Hey, Rick at that.
I like chicken.
Mm-hmm. What are you thinking? We should do it? I'll know when I sip it.
No, definitely not.
If you don't mind, you want to get appetizer? I'll take a menu. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you. Awesome. You got there, brother. Right by. Oh, thank you so much. Got the filet, medium rare, a little bit of char. Shout out to Jen.
Hey!
We're at the lake house, Lake Norman. We're about to enjoy the steak. I'm about to crush it. Let me tell you. How's yours, bro?
Good, man. I'm KL Max, and I just have a message for all my haters. Keep hating.
Right now we're doing about a half an hour set when they go on break, and then I'll be here doing their after hour night, which will be 11 to 12. We play some top 40 stuff, maybe some hip hop with that, some fun.
Okay, let's go, bro. Maybe play some Sodro?
Yeah.
Alright, son.
Yeah, I got some good stuff like
That lake house.
Thank you, sir.
That is the Miami Vice slushie.
All right, first round, stone crab.
Laying down, I guess.
Appreciate it, brother. The wings are pretty good. I know the wings are fire. I think everything. We tried the stone crab.